Town Center Petroleum is a family-owned business. We own and operate convenience stores with fuel and a beer and wine drive-thru. We operate our stores under the name Town Center Market Stores. We have approximately 25 to 30 employees at any given time. We currently operate 3 convenience stores with fuel and 1 beer and wine drive-thru. We are in the final stages of planning and designing for a new store that we hope to break ground on in the next few months. This will be a large destination site that will feature a 6,000 square foot C-store, a food service included in the C-store with a drive-thru window for food and drink pickup. We will also offer a separate beer and wine drive-thru on the premises for convenience for our customers that simply do not wish to get out of their vehicles. And we are excited to offer, which I'm truly excited to offer, our first car wash. It will be a fully automatic and touch-free car wash with all the bells and whistles. We think our customers will really like what we have to offer at this site. My father got into this business back in 2002 while still in the real estate business. We both sold residential and commercial real estate for many years. So all of a sudden, he was in the petroleum business. My father retired from real estate in 2013, and all of his minority partners were gone or bought out. At that point, he felt like he needed some assistance. He asked me for help in streamlining the operation. I went in, found multiple ways to make improvements to the business, both from an operations standpoint and a technology standpoint. I really enjoyed this experience. My father at that time was planning on selling the business, and that's when I kind of had pause. I told him not to do that, as I really enjoyed the change in scenery from my almost 20 years in real estate, and that I would purchase the company from him. That is when I decided I was ready for a change. I came in with my father and transformed the company into what we are today. I retired myself from real estate at the end of 2014. Even though I was walking away from a very lucrative real estate business and a team of associates that I had accumulated over the previous 15 plus years, I was truly ready for a new adventure. And the convenience space would be it. I have never looked back and feel it was a great decision in my life. We have now fully rebranded, remodeled all of our locations, which was a big task to undertake. And our motto going forward is to have the nicest and cleanest stores around. I feel we have that. I love the day-to-day operations of the company, troubleshooting issues that arise, interacting with our wonderful customers on a daily basis, and getting to know all of our outstanding employees that work so hard for the company. I truly love what I do now and look forward to growing our operation further. When I first came into the business to begin to modernize and change the way things were done, we were utilizing an old back office system by a different third party. The first thing I did was upgrade to their latest version, which was internet-based, but I still wasn't happy or completely happy with it. I was still learning the petroleum and convenience business myself and trying to figure out exactly what we needed to do to become a better operator. I believe in 2014 it was, while attending the NACS show, which is the National Association of Convenience Stores, I noted a company called Petrosoft that offered a really nice back office system for our industry. I remember going to their booth, checking them out, and liked what I saw. I knew going forward that we would need a more robust system, and especially to achieve the results that we wanted for our company. On top of that, it was very frustrating. Half of the time, our previous back office system was either down or not working properly. Price changes didn't always go through to all of our locations, and we just had multiple issues with the former company. It was definitely time for a change. Now, during this time period, we had undertaken a major rebranding and re-imaging of our stores. We branded all of our stores under the Town Center Market Stores moniker and rebranded 2 of our locations from Marathon to Shell Fuel. We wanted to offer our customers the best loyalty offerings available. On top of that, we were still struggling with our former back office system. It just didn't work for us any longer. So there was a lot of things going on at this time. Now, I am a huge Apple fan, and I like how they operate as a company. Their products simply work. That is what I needed in a back office system, but I had to make sure that I picked the right company if I was going to undertake such a massive change for our company, as I only wanted to do it once. I wanted a solution that simply worked. So after initially seeing Petrosoft and some of their solutions at the trade shows, I did further research on the company via their website and online reviews I could find. I also reached out to their company and asked questions, received demos of the software. I really liked what I saw. The software looked clean. It seemed very robust compared to what we were currently using, especially. This is when I really started to get serious in 2015 about looking for a replacement to our current back office system. I kept reaching out to our previous company, back office system, hoping they would fix their system and make it better, but it never happened. So after more questions and more demos of the software in early 2016, I decided to make the change for our company to Petrosoft. We have been with Petrosoft now for several months. We have made tremendous progress already. We have never utilized item level inventory for our stores. With Petrosoft's C-Store office in place for us, now we are going to begin that inventory auditing process at our locations. The other item that really stood out for me was the fact that Petrosoft owns their own stores. So they know what we go through on a daily basis, and they know what our business entails. They created their system and offerings based off of the needs that they saw with their own stores. That was big to me. To put it simply, they know our business, and that makes all the difference in the world. Going with C-Store Office with Petrosoft has changed everything for us. Not only is the system easy to use and very robust, but the people I've worked with to set up our company in C-Store Office have been outstanding. I was worried about the learning curve to a new system and getting all of our data imported into it quickly, but Petrosoft truly has an outstanding team of people and a wonderful implementation process in place. And the first thing I started to notice is it just worked. The fact that Petrosoft makes their own hardware for connecting to each site was awesome and impressive to me. Then to see how easy their mobile app was for checking in on our stores and processing invoices, it was amazing. We are a full-service customer with Petrosoft and are truly happy with our experience thus far. We have only been with Petrosoft now for a few months, so we are still learning the system and importing all of our data and tweaking the data to make sure that we are utilizing all of the amazing features that C-Store Office has to offer. I can't quantify the ROI, the return on investment, on the product yet, but I know it is going to be huge simply because it gives us accurate insight into our data on a daily basis, which will in turn make us much more efficient operators. I can see items where the margins aren't quite right, and I can go in and make that adjustment immediately. The same goes for price changes, new product offerings, reporting features, and so much more. The more you can see and analyze about your business quickly and easily will help you improve and grow your business. With Petrosoft as a partner, we now have that. I would say my favorite feature would probably be the Find and Replace tool in C-Store Office. It is absolutely amazing. Such a robust tool, but yet so simple to use. I use it for simple chores such as changing the retail prices on products. I also use it for more complex items like doing multiple changes at one time, such as changing the price group and the promo group of items in one simple change. I also use it for more complex items, such as doing multiple things at one time, changing the price group and the promo group of items in one simple step. Being able to quickly and efficiently make multiple changes to products in our price book in one quick step is invaluable. I also love the quick access to metrics about our stores on the homepage. I truly love this feature. I can look quickly to see our average scan rates, customer counts, and much more on a store-by-store basis. Our customer support experience has been outstanding, truly. From one-on-one question and answer sessions and training to learning about other offerings Petrosoft has to offer have been great. I've also requested some other features that will make the system more compatible with my setup. I hope to work with Petrosoft to continue to make the system even better. I am a perfectionist at heart and a demanding user, I know. So I expect the same out of my back office system. Petrosoft has gone above and beyond to make me feel comfortable with their system. We are so happy we made this change. I would definitely recommend Petrosoft to other companies. I would tell anyone that is considering making a change that they will not be disappointed. And if they really want to take their company to the next level, Petrosoft Solutions will help you do just that.